How's it going, everybody? I'm Andrew Lewis. This is my garage. This is episode 7, I believe. Day in life. So, I haven't been posting a couple videos for a few days because I've been busy working on some house stuff. But at any rate, here's the car as it sits right now. I tore all the stuff out yesterday and threw some paint on all the bars so they wouldn't rust on me. Put the seal back in. Actually bolted in all the lights and whatnot. So as you can see here, it's all kind of painted up. You know, I just kind of spray bombed it with a can. I wasn't trying to go that hard on it, but at any rate, so that's it there. You can see how I overlapped the weld job. I mean, it's not like it's got to be show quality or anything. I just overlapped it and literally just welded it on and threw some paint on it. I welded the door in so it, you know, have a nice backing plate for the wide body, and just threw some spray paint on it. This all gets covered up anyways, but if I ever get a wide body panel to rip off, it won't be like super ugly underneath, being a whole nother color that kind of bugs me. But I just wanted that to kind of done. So that's it for the car at the moment. I have it up in the air. I was looking at trying to maybe set up a rear sway bar deal with my quick change diff. A stock sway bar setup will hit, so I may have to look at doing a custom bar. Still kind of throwing around some ideas on that, looking at different kits and whatnot. So that's where it sits right there. I tried to order the vinyl. I was gonna just vinyl wrap the wide body and the bumper and the trunk lid. I didn't really want to paint it. It's really hot, and then you know, you can see right here, I mean, I can paint in this garage, but I gotta literally cover every single tool, all the shelves, everything with a drop cloth. I'd rather not. It takes a long time. It's kind of a pain in the ass. I'd like to just vinyl wrap it. I found a vinyl that's really, really close to the original color. Actually, you can kind of see right here. So it's only a hair off. It's really just the texture of the paint to vinyl wrap. So I'm gonna get this as Carmine red. It's really close to the Aztec red paint, but because this is really the only last season with this chassis, I don't really want to go that hard and paint it and make it all like super legit. I had thought about it, not really feeling it. I ordered a new bumper. If you're following my Instagram, we tore that up. Well, I tore it up. I heard it dragging. I didn't really care. I kept driving around the track, and then I thought I could make it to the pits. Didn't quite make it. Bumper just came off and sucked up under the car and literally destroyed the hell out of it. So I ordered a new, I think it's called the KBD bumpers. It's those polyurethane bumpers. I'm going to try one of those out. Hopefully I get it in time for Good Life. If I can't, then I'm just going to run no front bumper for Good Life. It's not really that big a deal to me. So that's that for now. I've been working on the black car a little bit. As you can see, it's kind of just sitting out here. Me and Val started vinyl wrapping the new kit. So that's this. I could start a little vid series on this, but I kind of just throw some tips in here. It's pretty easy to do. It's getting around the edges is kind of hard. You want a good heat gun and whatnot. And what you want to do is clean the surface really well. That's kind of the biggest deal with these. I took a DA sander to both these skirts yesterday, prepped them, cleaned them real well, and then I like to tuck it around the edge, like, you know, between a 1/2 inch to an inch if I can. And then what I do is I take a clear solvent, and I can show you guys this. They usually sell it at the vinyl wrap store, wherever you're buying it, but you could also probably buy it online. It is a edge sealer. So for you guys, you know, it comes with a brush. It's pretty good. I mean, I only use very little bit out of this can. This probably could do several wrap jobs with one can. But you want to put that around all the edges of the vinyl so it won't pop up on you whenever you're driving in the rain and whatnot. Since that's a street car, I don't want it to pop up. So anyways, that's it for the day. I'm just going to kind of tinker on everything and kind of prep some stuff just to get it kind of put back together. And hopefully I can get the vinyl wrap. They were out when I went up there this morning of the Carmine red. So I'm hoping they'll have it in by 5 o'clock today. And I'll reserve it and go pick it up in the morning whenever me and Val go cruise around the city. and then maybe Sunday. It's supposed to be pretty cool. I think it's supposed to rain and stuff, so that'd probably be a good day to work in the garage and vinyl wrap the wide body and the deck lid. And then I am also going to redo this rear bumper. This is how bad it was down there at the wreck in Atlanta. So as you can see, kind of screwed it up, but considering I hit the wall, it kind of just buckled and probably savable. This corner here, this is from a previous wall slide last year, but this is all the extent of the damage. So I can show you guys kind of how I do that with fiberglass work. You guys can get, you know, for those who have never done it before, it'll be a good little quick how-to and how to repair some of these bumpers, because, you know, they get expensive. Like, this is a real 2F performance kit. It holds up extremely well to hits, but as you can see, it's, you know, nothing's invincible. So I'd like to try to save it, because they cost about probably at least $500 a piece if you're trying to buy them by themselves, and I'm not about to spend another $1,500 on a full kit for this car, because I want to do a chassis change for next year anyways. So anyways, that's the end of the day. I'm going to probably post a video probably Sunday when I get a little more done. I got less than a week to have it ready for Grid Life. I'm going to try to have it all looking real pretty and cleaned up and everything pretty much dialed in on the car. At the track, the last video I made, there was one issue with the car after I made that video. It was I was burning out some of my main fuses, so I think I have a short somewhere in the main cable. You know, maybe from the wreck it got crunched or something. It might just be touching. I'm not sure. I have to find that. That's really the only problem I had with the car. Everything else worked extremely well. Even the alignment worked out really well, so I'm pretty happy about that. Even though I will take it back to the rack and have it changed, hopefully on Tuesday or Wednesday. Probably Wednesday, because then I can load the car and then take it over there, get it done, and then leave it loaded up for Thursday. So hopefully that'll work out. So anyways, that's it for the day. Last time. So I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm going to try to post some more stuff, little how-tos. Even after this car's done, we'll do some more stuff with, you know, random things around the garage. So hope you guys are enjoying it. Thanks.